Hi there guys, Mark Gossage here, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my Venus review. Now, I've got a load to show you on the bonus page because you're getting more than Venus. I've been in touch with Billy Darr, who is the vendor, the creator, and I've managed to get a lot of his past cloud-based products. So if you get Venus through my link or through my button on my bonus page and I get credited with that sale, what's going to happen is you're going to get access to a load of cloud-based apps. Now, I've got all the details on the bonus page, so before we go through Venus, let's click on that first link right down below the video, if you're on YouTube that is, and you come straight on over to the best Venus bonus page on the planet. Now, it tells you a little bit more about Venus here, what it can do for you, how it's going to get you on Amazon, how it's going to get money in your pocket, okay? It tells you about the upsells here, all that extra power. Then you'll see the demo video here. It's going to show you what Venus can do. It's going to show you it in action, how it works, and exactly what it will do for you. Not what it can do for you, what it will do for you. It's all there on the demo video. Bonus one, I'm putting in my bonuses as well. I'm putting in this one here that's Ghost Writing Explained. It's not writing about ghosts. It means that you get a person that's good at writing ebooks, things like that. You get them to write up your ebook. You put your name on it as the author and you get the cash for it, okay? This is going to show you how you can have your own products the easy way. It's a very detailed 50-part course that gives you all the secrets of ebook ghostwriting, all waiting for you there. As I say, as long as I get credited with the sale of Venus. Bonus 2, you're going to discover the exact steps to create the ultimate lifestyle of freedom as an internet marketer. It's going to go through everything. It's going to show you exactly what you need to be doing if you want to free yourself up, live a life of freedom, work an hour or two a day, get on that where as long as you've got a laptop, you're good to go. You need a laptop, a computer, whatever, internet connection, you're never going to look back. Then there's my next bonus, a sales funnel. You've got your ebooks, you've got your internet marketing lifestyle. Now, if you've got products, as well as just simply listing them on Amazon, if you want to put a little bit more time in, you can do your funnel building, get your sales page on, your upsells, your product, everything like this. This is going to show you how to build a high converting sales funnel easily, complete step-by-step training. The vortex funnel, it shows you how you can suck people in, basically. Get an audience, get a few eyes, and they'll be there buying and buying. Traffic training, you're going to need traffic. Venus, if you can send traffic, you're going to make more. Don't get me wrong, Amazon gets you a lot of eyes, but you've got other products as well. You're going to want eyes on your products. So this is how to generate a massive traffic by ranking in Google image search. What you do is you get some images that are relevant to your niche, relevant to your product, upload them, follow this training, get them ranking, and then when people go on Google image search and look for things in your niche, they're going to come across your images, they're going to click on them, they're going to go to your sales page, maybe your funnel, wherever that image sends them, okay? Absolutely massive bonus, really puts you in the driving seat. Then another easy way, hashtags. Oh, we all know about hashtags, you know, oh yeah, I just need to put hashtag make money online. No, sorry, you need to know more about it. It's so simple once you've got the facts. So this is going to show you how to drive masses of traffic the right way using hashtags, okay? You want the secrets, you want the tips, the tricks, this is it. Hashtag secrets, it's going to show you how. Now, vendor bonuses, as I said, as long as you get credited with a sale, you're not only going to get all of my bonuses, I've done a good deal with Billy Darr. I've managed to get you a load of cloud-based apps. So, you know, you're just going to have that many. It's untrue. I haven't counted them. All you got to do, first link, click on it, coming over to the bonus page, count them yourself, okay, go through them, check them out. Aura, Viper, Zest, Magic, Omega, View to Profit, Charm, Prime, Delta, Genius, Astonish, Drex, Coin, I think that was Crypto, Hero, Synex, okay, all of those there. So there's something like 15 or 20 of those cloud-based super apps. These are not just cloud-based apps, they're not just bonuses, these are cloud-based super apps, and you're getting access to those, okay? As long as you get credited with the sale, you get the front end. That's all you need to purchase. Click on any of these orange buttons as you come down or up my bonus page, and what will happen is it will take you to the sales page where you can lock Venus in at its lowest price. And yes, you can get a $4 discount if you get that up before you buy, okay? How do we get this popover up? How do we get it? Well, what happens, it only comes up once, I believe. You try clicking around, it don't work. So reload or refresh this page, okay? And then when it loads, go to click off, and what will happen is wait, and it's going to take $4 off, okay? Depends on how much the price is when you get there, but you're getting at that low, it's at a low price anyway. It's a giveaway near enough, and with me, you know, I've got all of those Billy Darr products for you. This really is a no-brainer. You're into digital coins, you're into Bitcoin and all of that, you've got that cloud-based app. You've got Venus, that's what you're purchasing. You've got all the other cloud-based apps, and you've got my bonuses that are really going to take you to the limits. They really, really are. Now, Venus itself, what's the product about? Well, it's saying they're passively milking the largest retailer online, okay? Amazon. Push-button app legally raids Amazon, and it pays them around $34.98 every 24 hours on autopilot. No techie skills, no experience, no upfront costs. It's making them 100% passive income. You can get up and running in 60 seconds once you've gone through the training, once you know what you're doing, and once you've done it once or twice. Okay, you're not going to do it in 60 seconds first time out the gate. You're going to need a little bit of practice. You're going to be able to legally raid Amazon. No physical products needed, digital only. Don't worry, let me explain in a second. Never been done on Warrior Plus. Press a button, you're good to go. Live your dream life, and you're getting 365-day money-back guarantee. Unbelievable. Now, what it does, it converts an ebook into an audio, okay? And you sell the audio on Amazon. It's super simple. And with Venus, they're giving you 100 or something ebooks up front that you can sell, that you can convert, because this app converts ebooks into audio, and then you can upload them and sell them on Amazon. Okay, very long sales page, so I'm not going to read it all out. Select profit basically, and they're saying you can sip a martini in the pool. Now I can't see them in the pool there, can't see the martinis, but it's not going to get any easier as long as you do it. Okay, you're going to have to get in there, you're going to have to sort of sort it out, learn it, go through the training and everything there. It's showing you what happens without, what happens with. It's all there. It's a long sales page. I'm rushing through them, seeing if there's any more bonuses. I think I've had all the bonuses actually off Billy. Oh, more bonuses. I was going to say, I think I've had them all. 3 bonus 1, get results in the first 10 minutes. Okay. 3 bonus 2, 3 ways we bank fast with Venus. Bonus 3, all our previous apps ever created. 2022. Cash kit, that's bonus 4, and bonus 5, how to scale Venus up to 10k a month. Okay, they're going to show you that as a bonus. It's all in there. All earnings, they reckon you can start making $100 quite easily. It's all here. Zero work, zero effort, zero time, zero money. Now, zero effort, I don't agree with that. You're going to have to put an hour or so in a day if you want to be making that sort of money, okay? Half hour, you're going to have to go through the training. That'll probably take an hour or two, go through it a couple of times, understand it all, and it'll even take you longer than that to sign in and to Billy's all these cloud-based apps. It's going to take you a time to log in, you know, sign up, passwords. Make sure you log them all down so you can do it. Okay, all here, as I say, everything's here. Come and check it all out. It really is a great sales page. It tells you all about it. First link below this video. If you're on YouTube, click on that, get on over to my bonus page, as I say, and click on any of these orange buttons as you go down. Bang, get onto the sales page, lock it in, get it at the lowest price. All super simple. Now, this is in the Venus dashboard area. If you get the front end, you're going to get access. Okay, come straight in. It's going to give you an overview of Venus here. You're going to get the training and everything, all waiting for you. There's training now. If I look on the right, it's all small letters. You know, my eyes aren't too clever, but you get the overview. Make an Amazon ebook. Turn your ebook into an audio book. Sign into your ACX account, which is Audible. Manage your Audible account. How does ACX audiobook work? Audiobook income method 2022. Publishing audiobooks on Amazon. ACX audiobook publishing. Promote your audiobook. These are all training videos, remember. Sign into your KDP account. Manage your KDP account, that's Kindle. How does Amazon Kindle work? Amazon Kindle income method 2022. Publish a book on Amazon, self-publish step by step. Load of training there. As I say, you're going to need a weekend to go through it and let it sink in. You might need a couple of weekends, okay? So when they're going on about, you know, make money in 60 seconds, don't grab it with that idea. You're going to have to go through the training an hour or two. You might want to go through it 2 or 3 times, couple of weekends or so. Get it, grab it, go through the training, and then get it into action. Make an ebook. It's all here. Ebook title, the author name. You can use a pen name and everything. Ebook cover. You know, you can choose an image and everything there. Okay, all the chapters, add a chapter, everything. Your ebooks, they're all here, okay? I think Billy's given you 100 ebooks to start. They're only short ebooks, but they're there. And he's letting you do 60-second audios, I believe, on the front end. That's why you need more power, really. If you want to really kick this off, you're going to need more power. You've got done for your ebooks. I did show you all here where you can come in, download them, get them there, and do everything like that. Let's get back because I'm going to get lost if I'm not careful. Audiobook converter, put the text in out the ebook and it'll convert it into an audio. There's no need for you to sit there going, and they sat together on the bench. No, it's going to do it for you. Download 3 images. That's there where you can go and grab 3 images to use with your advertising, your ebook, your cover, things like that. Your ebook cover maker, it's going to make ebook covers for you. You don't have to worry about that. The actual editor's in there to make ebook covers. So you can make ebooks, you can make audiobooks, you can do all the images. Super simple. Publish your audiobook, just click on that, will show you. Upgrades, if you missed out, you've got the upgrades here. Okay, limitless edition. Whoa, limitless. You know, who doesn't want limitless? Why put a few ebooks up when you can go bang, bang, bang? You know, you can be like a machine gun. Get them all out there, okay? All are there. Now, I'll go through the upsells in a minute, so let's close that. Below that, you've got support ticket. Oh, I need help. My hand's up. Yep, I need help. I'm here. Support ticket. Open a support ticket. Explain your problem. They'll get back to you. Your account, for you to change everything out and sign out. Now, don't forget all that training. Let's click on that. Look at that to the right, okay? Let me just switch myself off if I can find myself. There you go. All that training, all here, down here, okay? It's all there waiting for you. Top quality video training, step by step, so that you go from $0 to $100 to, you know, even a load more. Plus, you know, I don't know how to do it. No, now you do. If you're willing to go through those videos, now you do. You know how to do your ebooks, you know how to do your audio, you know how to do it all. Now, as I said, first link right down below the video if you're on YouTube, coming over to the best Venus bonus page on the planet. Now, let's go down a little. Don't Don't want to cover it too much because it's easy. As I said, it's that first link. Click on that, come over, you can read yourself. You can go through my bonuses, have a look at what Billy Darr's given me to give you. Cloud-based apps, loads of them. Front end of Venus, $17, pay once, use forever. It tells you all about it here, where you can create and sell 60-second audiobooks. Upsell 1, Limitless. The unlimited edition of Venus allows you to create and sell unlimited ebooks and audiobooks. $47. Unbelievable. Plug and Play, Upsell 2, $297. They're going to set it all up for you guys. Oh, I don't really want to do it. I haven't got it up. $297. Get it all done for you, okay? Autopilot, $39. You'll get all of the automation tools that make it easier, quicker, faster, everything there. $39. Auto Scribe Edition, $39, where you'll be able to unlock a feature that turns the audiobooks back into ebooks. I'm not sure why you want to turn them back if they're already in that, but yeah, have a look at that. Franchise Edition, $197. You'll get 85% for selling this funnel, okay? You're going to get 85% commissions if you want to sell that with additional tutorials, all the sales bump, you know, the funnel, the emails, everything there, sales pages, the lot. So 85% you're going to get there because they have to pay for the automation, the software, things like that. But 85% on all the front end, the upsells, everything. Absolutely amazing. Now for me, front end, I think the Upsell 1, Limitless Edition it'd have to be. Plug and Play if I didn't want to do it myself. If not, I wouldn't need that. And the Autopilot Edition. The rest of it, I'm not sure. For me, it's like front end, Upsell 1, Upsell 3. It's up to you guys. Come over, first link below the video, click on it, get over there, have a look at those upsells, scroll down further, go through my bonuses, and most importantly, go through Billy's upsells there, okay? They're all here, all of the upsells, free bonuses. I'm saying upsells because they're worth that much. All around Viper, Zest, Magic, Omega, you know, these are, you know, $20 or more on the front end each, and you're getting like 10 or 20 there. So what's that? $200 to $400 worth or something. I haven't, as I say, I haven't added it up. I'm trying to get it out quick. I'm a little late today. I had a load on, but that is Venus. That's Billy Darr. You know, my twist his hand, you know, well, twist his wrist and give it you all. Backdoor vendor bonuses, my bonuses, all there. So I hope you fully understand what you're going to get with Venus. Not just Venus, all those bonuses. Everything's there. So thanks for watching my review. Hope you understand everything. Make sure you take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.